Hey everybody, what's going on? We're going to get right into it. We've got an Ultra Max here, and we need to replace this pump here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the prime handle off of here. Go ahead and remove that. And then we're going to go ahead and just take all these screws out. Get these out. Okay, so now we're going to take and pull this out. There we go. Just set that to the side there. And here's our pump here. And here's our new pump here. And the number for this new pump, for this Ultra Max, is 17P187 for the new one there. And it also comes with a new prime handle, and it also comes with some instructions there too. So we'll go ahead and pull this one out, and we got to get this ground wire off of here. Get this off. So we're changing this one out here. This pump was bad, real weak. Didn't have any more, didn't have much oomph to it anymore. So get rid of it. And I went through all the plugs and everything like that, and looked over everything. Took the prime valve off here. Sometimes I've had them where there's stuff stuck in the prime valve area there too, and it just doesn't want to operate properly. But um, it came in and it wasn't spraying at all. So I did get it up and spraying, and it just didn't have any power anymore. So we went ahead and got cleared from the customer to go ahead and throw a new one on. So what I want to do is I want to hook up our ground here. And as the tag says, it says you don't want to rotate this gear here. So that's important when we're sticking this back on there. Make sure you got a good grip on this here. So we don't want to damage anything in this new pump. Oops. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take the new pump here and I'm just going to slip it down in its spot here. And then we can go ahead and pull this protector piece off of there. So we're in there, just taking a look at everything, making sure everything's in its spot there. Everything looks to be good. That's in its spot there too. So we're good to go, man. Let's throw this thing back together. Pretty simple. Not real difficult. Having a little bit of the time lining it up because I left those screws in there, but we're good now. So we'll go ahead and whoops. I'm just going to go through by hand here. Just make sure I get everything good here. All right, so we get a new prime handle here. We can throw that on. Make it look nice and pretty. Okay, and there we go. We are good to go. I'll get her back put together, man. I'll test her out, and she'll be ready to rock and roll. I can call the customer and let them know that their handheld is all done. So here's the old pump here, and the number for the new pump, 17P 187. Hey, you have a good day. Like and subscribe. God bless.